Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and today I will show you how you can remove a notification and any other virus from this device. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus. So we can try to remove it without Antivirus app, and to do it just open the settings and look for the apps and notifications. Now click See All Apps and choose your web browser. Now go to the storage and cache and clear the storage. And tap Clear All Data. Now OK. And now your web browser should be free from the notification virus. You can also check the all apps list from your device to check that you have any unwanted application, and if you see something like that, just remove it. How to remove it? Just click on the Sorted app. Sorry that I cannot to delete. I choose that one and click here on install. But if that ways doesn't work for you, you can always try to download some antivirus app, but remember to choose the trusted company. I will show you it on the Avast. So we have to open the application, click next and skip. Now continue with free and continuous free. Now click start scan and add any permissions. Now we have to choose the scan, deep or regular. I choose regular then. And now I was looking for the viruses on your device and will delete it. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.